want to go on that one. I want to go on that one now. We're walking to the helicopter. Okay, you just press that button.
Yes, got you. All right, so if you both come with me. Go in.
Alrighty. I'm going in. Hello. Awesome.
Hold me there. I'll hold that.
Thank you. And I got this one too. 124 each for 6 minutes ride, and it was awesome. There you go. Hi. 124 each. 124 each, or 230 for 6 minutes. 239 for 12 minutes. 249 for 18 minutes, and 549 for 30 minutes. So yeah, there you go. Off it goes. Yeah, it was good though. 6 minutes, it was good enough for me. It was awesome. And there the buggies. It was good too.
And now we're free to do whatever we want till
4 o'clock. I want food. I want food. But yeah.
Use our voucher.
Yeah, we
So
can.
this
Hey.
is the time we would have been arriving if we got this.
Boring. So we've done what we needed to do, apart from just going to the shipping rack and have a little swim around there. But we'll do it a little bit later.